Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I like to share with you a really quick and simple project I made for Polkadoodles, and it is using the collection Winnie White Christmas. And as you know, this is Christmas in July. I know I'm a little bit late, but I thought I would make something really quick and hopefully I can get started on my Christmas project. So this is my very first project of the year, and I thought I would share with you a little process video on how I made it. I didn't even think I had to make a process video, you guys, but I thought that I might as well should. Why not? I have the time right now. So here are the supplies that I used. I used this yarn. You can get it from Hobby Lobby, and I believe this one I got from I think it's called King Dollar. This is also from Hobby Lobby. Now these I shared with you a few weeks ago, and this is from Arteza. These are wood slices, and this is what they look like. They are so beautiful. I love these wood slices. Yes, they are real wood. And of course, I use the Winnie White Christmas. And as you can see, the images are just gorgeous. They already come colored. They are ready for you to print and cut them however you like, and you will see in the process video that I used a 2-inch circle to punch them out. Alright you guys, so let me show you what I made. Alright you guys, so here they are. As you can see, I'm going to give you a really quick walkthrough on how I put these together. So I did do this in my silhouette, and like I said, I have a step-by-step process video on how I did this. Super simple. Then I cut it out using a 2-inch circle, and I cut the solid circle using a 2.5-inch punch, and then I distressed it with scissors, and I did that same process with all of them. And on the top it either has eyelash trim, yarn, or ribbon, and I alternated the colors of the solid color. You see it has red. Some of them have this light blue that goes perfect with, of course, this collection, and then some of them have pink. How adorable is that? And then I added one of these little flowers from Hobby Lobby, and that's it you guys. That's all I did, and I really like the way these came out. And in the back you can write to and from or created by, whether you're going to gift these. It depends if you're going to gift these or add them to your presents. I think these would also look really nice as tags. I think these would look amazing as tags. Can you imagine this being a tag? I think that would be really cool, and then the recipient can then use it as an ornament. So that is it you guys. I just wanted to share these with you really quickly because I love these images. This Winnie collection is just adorable. I think she is just the cutest, and I think I used almost all of the images that the collection comes with. I think there is one, I think that I accidentally skipped one, which I am looking at it right now, and it is this one right here. So this is what that would have looked like if you didn't add that other background, because originally I wasn't going to add this background piece, but then I thought it needed something else. It was too simple. I like simple, but that was a little too simple, and I think this made it a lot, it looks better. Now this is the very first ornament I made, and I don't know if you can tell, but on the edge of this wood slice on the front, I painted it with with gold paint, and this is the only one I made this way. The other ones I left them as is because I think it looks better showing the wood, the raw wood itself. I think it just looks so much nicer. And that's it you guys. So I hope you continue watching so you can check out to see how I put these together. And also, as usual, I will try my best to put all the supplies used in this video in the description box. And of course, I will have a direct link to the Winnie White Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone. Okay, you guys, so I thought I would share with you on how I plan on using my silhouette program to make these ornaments. Now, I just want to let you know that you do not need to own the silhouette machine in order for you to use this silhouette program. It is free for everyone. Okay, so I'm going to go to the left hand column, go to this icon right here. I'm just going to go to this oval shape because I'm going to draw an oval shape, a circle, but we'll make it into a perfect circle. Now I'm going to go back to my pointer. I'm going to click on the circle, and over here on the top where it says W and H, which is for width and height, I'm going to change this to 2.25, which is 2¼ inch circle. Now the circle itself won't be exact 2¼ because this whole square right here measures 2¼ So the circle is going to be slightly smaller, which is about 2 inches, which is the size that I'm looking for. Okay, now I'm going to go to the right hand column, and I'm going to click on this one that kind of looks like a star. And I'm going to fill up the page right here, and you're going to see that it's going to fill it up for you. So that is kind of neat, instead of you having to duplicate each one, which you can do that. You can make columns, you can make rows, but I want to fill up the whole page. Going to click on a circle. Now you have to click on a circle in order for this to work. Okay, so I'm going to click on library. Now I am going to use the Winnie White Christmas. I just love this collection. I think it's so beautiful. Here are some of the images. Now I'm going to use the images that have the background scene. You can see that this Winnie right here, it is just her by herself, but this one right here has the actual background. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on that image, and you're going to click on merge. Now you have to click on merge in order for this to work. And what I like about this is that it's going to shrink your image to fit inside that circle, and it's also going to copy it onto this piece of paper, the original size. So all I'm going to do is click on it and just click on delete because I don't need it, and there you go. You can see that image right there. Really like this feature because I think it's awesome. So we're going to do the same thing. Click on your circle. You're going to go to library. I'm going to pick a different image, right click, click on merge. You're going to delete that big one, and look at that. Oh my goodness, I just love the way this comes out. Let's do this one. I really love this one. Merge. And there she is. Look how cute she is holding all those presents. And what I'm going to do is, because I've already done this part, so I'm not going to print them out, but you would go over here on the top where it says printer. This is your printer, send to printer. Now I don't do anything at this point. I just go to print. I don't change my settings at all. So I just go to print, and that's it. So I'm going to click on cancel because, like I said, I've already done this. So now I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so I've used my 2-inch circle to cut all of these out, and look at these images, you guys. I know I shared these with you last year, but they are just adorable. So I really highly recommend this, you guys, that if you guys get a digital collection, to get this one. I really love both of them, you guys. Now the other one is Winnie in Winterland, and that one is also a beautiful color. That one has like very traditional colors, but what I like about this one is that the colors are softer, and it does have like accents of red, as you can see, but it is not really strong. So you can totally make this into like non-traditional color of you know, Christmas if you wanted to. But I know that a lot of people love traditional Christmas, and I do too, but I also love pink. And I really love the combination of, you know, like the red and the pink during Christmas time. I love it. Now I'm going to get my next circle, cut it out at 2.5, and I'm going to use pink because I think I'm going to do both, you guys, where it's traditional colors and non-traditional colors, so that you can see how cute they are. And so that's what they're going to look like. Now you're going to get a pair of scissors, and you can use any pair of scissors. It doesn't matter if they are brand new or if they're dull or sharp. It doesn't matter for this part. But if you do have like one of those distressing tools, that would probably be easier. But let's assume we all don't have that, which I know that is the case. I do have one, but I don't know where it is right now. So I'm just going to use my scissors. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one end of the scissors. It doesn't really matter which one, to be honest with you. And I'm just going to distress the edge using my scissors. And I'm going to do that, you know, all around the circle. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up, you know, to make the process faster. So I am distressing the edges of this circle because I thought it would look a little bit better using the wood. And I used hot glue throughout this whole project because I wanted this project to make it simple and fast. And I also love this tool, you guys. I use this tool for almost everything. This is like a must-have tool. If I'm able to find it, I'll link it down below. But since I can't see the hole because it does get covered up by the paper, and I use that to poke a hole through the wood slice, and then I am adding my image. And now I'm going to add just one flower. That's all I need. That's all it needs, actually. And I think it makes a really cute project, cute and simple. I'm adding some eyelash trim to finish it off, make a little bit more shabby, and tie a knot. I'm going to tie a knot at the bottom. I think I'm going to do that twice, and then one at the top. And that is my project, you guys. Now I'm going to do this I think like 10 more times, I think. And my project is ready.